Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add tags to a YouTube video. I'm inside my YouTube studio dashboard, and if you don't know how to land on this page, just visit studio.youtube.com. After arriving at this page, just go to the Content tab. Now click on the video that you want to add tags into. This I have some unpublished videos. Click on it like that to go into the settings and scroll down to tags, and this is a cool tag tool that I use. I give it my video title just like that. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free, and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial and hit search. Wait a second and click on this copy tags button and paste it just like that. And this is a cool way and an SEO optimized way to add tags to your YouTube video. This tool is called, or this website is called rapidtags.io/generator. And this is how to add tags to a YouTube video. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.